Hello everyone, salam, and I would like to introduce myself. This is Farida from Bhendi-Bazaar.com, and here we are doing a tutorial to how to sell your products and become partners with Bhendi-Bazaar.com. Okay, so here we are in the Google Chrome browser. We shall go to Bhendi-Bazaar.com. All right, here we are, and now we go to the sell button. This will be our first. Let's Okay, so here we now keep our username. Let's say I would keep it as, sorry, in Vogue 53. All right, and let's put the email ID here. This email ID should be the one on which you will receive the verification code, as well as something that is always accessible, and you can receive our messages, as well as this will be the email on which you will also receive the sale messages. In case you made any sales, you will receive it on this email. Okay, now we shall receive a verification code on this email. All right, it's been sent. All right, by the time we see the verification code, let's do the filling. Let's say your name, your last name, and what would be the name of your store. Now, as I've kept my username as Invoke53, I would also suggest that we keep a similar name to that. Sorry for the spellings. All right, and address is something you would like to put it up. All right, and then it's which country you are. You have a couple of countries over here, from which country you are selling. As of now, everyone, we are just selling from India, so by default you'll have to select India. All right, we are in Mumbai. Okay, here's your postal code, your phone number. Okay, we got the verification code, so I think we'll just put it over here, which is 846 162. Okay, we have put the verification code and we'll continue here. Okay, password is something that you can keep as your convenience. All right, confirm your password, agree to the terms and condition, register. Okay, so you have registered successfully. As you can see, you will receive a message on your screen that says that you have successfully submitted the registration, but it is in the pending because we will receive this email of yours as a registration. We will approve it, and only then you will receive an email which says that it has been approved, and then you can log into your account and then you can check your dashboard. Okay, so I will just do the next part of the tutorial in the next video. Thank you so much.